I don't know the gender of my child. I don't know who my daughter is. Yul Edochie cries out for help. Chai, my people, e don settle. Kasala don burst for inside Ogberaka industry. There is fire on the mountain. My people, they say the people when Yul Edochie dey tell for movie location say everything wey online people, online in-laws talk about im daughter, Storm Universe, say im no come know whether make im dey doubt am because a lot really happened. My people, they say in every rumor, there must be an atom of truth. Yes, there must be an element of truth. Oh, I no know who Yul Edochie discuss im daughter with. Yes, allegedly, they say on set, Yul Edochie was seriously concerned, like he was showing concern over what online in-laws have been saying about their daughter, Universe Storm Ifeyinwa. They say Yul Edochie say all those things even dey among wetin make am really lose interest on Judy Austin. Say many times if Judy wan baff the pikin or she wan dress the pikin, she no dey ever remove that pikin clothes, like undress am for where im papa Yul Edochie dey. Say Judy cannot leave that child for him. Say Judy go far. She dey always peep, like she no free anytime when im Yul Edochie dey with that pikin. Im come dey even dey tell Judy make dem carry dis pikin go church because of the kind things wey be say e come dey happen after the birth of that child and the way the pikin dey do. In as much as say medically she needs attention, like she need medical treatment because of the kind things wey they say e happen. But they say Yul come still dey insist make dem carry the pikin still go church. They say Judy Austin refused. Judy say lie, nothing dey do her child. Say if na wetin Yul dey hear for social media, na im know. If na wetin Yul go dey lis ten from online in-laws, na Yul Edochie know. But she as the mother, she know say nothing dey do her pikin. My people, they say Yul Edochie sometimes sef e even cause quarrel between him and Judy Austin. Like Universe Storm really cause quarrel, big fight between them because Yul Edochie say im no dey okay with the way the pikin be. But Judy Austin refused to take that child to hospital or even to a house of God. They say recently, as Yul Edochie don finally relocate to Asaba, e come be like say Yul come free small. Im eyes come dey open. E be like say Yul Edochie come really dey see the reason why online in-laws dey insist make Yul Edochie know who his child truly is. Even why people dey talk about Star Dike and Pete, say na so dem no dey talk, na so this, na so that. Na now Yul Edochie come really sit down, come dey lis ten to analysis about Judy Austin's children. They say as Yul reach Asaba, as e don dey free from Judy Austin, e be like say that spell that was cast on him don dey finally clear. They say na Judy Yul Edochie come dey tell one of im colleague who happens to be his best friend. They say Yul Edochie confided in him that im dey scared, like he's so concerned, he's so worried, like his heart is not at peace, like he's unrest, thinking about his daughter, that Yul Edochie doesn't even know who his child is. He doesn't even know the gender of his child. that before he even left Abuja, that Judy has never undressed that baby, say she go baff and come wear her clothes for where Yul Edochie dey. Allegedly, they say that is what Yul Edochie said. A lot of things happen. It really happened that people don't already confirm, especially from Asaba Nollywood industry. Say the way Yul Edochie dey talk about Judy, the way he dey spill out what he went through, his experience, his regrets, like everything. Say they're not sure, say Yul Edochie can ever go back to Judy again, except say na juju she use. That Yul Edochie said a lot of things that he no know, say all these things they happen to him, even while he was with Judy. He no know. Medically, they need to take a Dike to hospital because he need medical treatment based on some kind things when they say it happen. But Judy refused. It be like Judy know wetin dey happen. It be like the oath or the covenant that she took. Maybe they tell her, say, see wetin go happen. And she kept Yul Edochie in the dark. Something is not just right somewhere. If allegedly Yul Edochie can say this openly to someone he trusts or someone he call his friend, then just know that a lot actually happened. Just know that Yul Edochie really is confused. He doesn't even know what to do, where to start from again. Everything that he thought, oh, it was worth it. Judy, what time? This, people were asking, Yul, are you sure of what you are doing? He don't see and say, Omo, he know what time. Yul don't regret in action. Nana Yul Edochie can't see why people, they say, make Yul go do DNA test for Dike. Make Yul Edochie go know wetin he born, whether na girl or boy. A lot of things wey online people talk, because sometimes you see this life, just like I earlier said before, in every rumor there must be an atom of truth. Now wetin dey happen na people take dey learn lesson, na dem dey learn from. If they no just carry, person go just wake up one day fabricate this lie, or wetin no even dey exist. The person go just wake up one day say, he won't or she won't just talk am make it a trend. No. I believe say something like that actually happened. Even before Yul Edochie now they realized something like that was going on. But because Yul was under a spell, he not really pay attention to her. Now Yul Edochie won't go they cry, now they beg make children. Now he won't go they beg for forgiveness. After everything when that man, when you do to him children. He what am? Tomorrow now, they'll say, oh, Queen May Edochie don't poison in children's heart against their papa. Queen May Edochie don't tell his children bad thing about their papa Yul Edochie. How do you want these children to forgive you? Children, when you be abandoned, say you be don't born the best. You don't born the best of the bestest. At the end of the day now, you dey regret. You dey even they say you don't even know who your kids are. Why? May, you all should learn lesson. Learn from Yul Edochie's mistake. Polygamy favor Mr. A. E no mean say go favor Mr. B. Everybody destiny different for life. Everybody get different destiny. Just like as all fingers are not equal, na so life still be. No look Mr. Ned Nwoko say, oh, it's polygamous is in nature. Polygamy favor am. If you still look at now, the polygamy, e no favor am. Now every 3 Eke market days, they drag and come and just forget the one wey original Daniel's day today. Now the one where you know, now you know. If you know, you know. If you don't know, you don't know it. So talk less of Yul wey no even get one kobo. No be senator. No be member of House of Assembly. No be local chairman, local government chairman. Nothing when he dey for government. You no get any office when he dey control. You won't come practice polygamy with your first wife money. Where that one dey work? Anyway, my people, they say Yul Edochie friend and some people when be say Nollywood members when they dey for Asaba Nollywood industry, and they talk all these things. So say Yo dey regret. Yo say no know where he wan start from. Like he doesn't even know where to start from. I pray God sees him through. I all pray God see him through. This na Bazi News. Hit on the follow button. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and remember to put up the post notification bell. I will see you all on my next upload.